Today we are going to discuss about an important video lecture in the topic of re-entry phase in space mechanics subjects. First, we know that mechanics means it is on some type of stable and another type is in a motion conditions, and another version is kinematics. So here in space mechanics, it will be having the motion. We will study about the motion of space or space vehicles, etc. So here it is a re-entry phase. First, we know that what is re-entry phase. The re-entry means it will be having the utilized fuel from the section, then again it is reinserted into the input or engine section to analyze the efficiency, and this final efficiency is how much variation between the before entry phase section. So the factors of re-entry space vehicle, it will be having the speed, minimum speed of 7 meter per second is less. So we are using the re-entry input of the fuel. The mechanics will be having the boost of energy of speed is 7 meter per second, and this another fact, it will be having the peculiarities like pressure, temperature and volumes conditions also. We know that in pressure, temperature, volume from the propulsion or thermodynamics, we know that we studied about the laws. For example, for the pressure condition, it will be the Boyle's law. It's P is proportional into the volume. Boyle's law means proportional is pressure, P is indirectly proportional to the volume within the limit of the particular period or particular, that means the size of the object, that is obey the pressure Boyle's law, and temperature and volume, it will be goes up to the condition of Charles law. So these are the peculiarities and will be having the motion of the re-entry phase. In this re-entry phase, we consider this will be having the object, or it will be having the orbit section part. These are the orbit section part. In this orbit section part, we assume or we consider this is the starting origin of the satellite or some other space vehicle. We depend upon the speed and peculiarities of space condition, how to travel the space into the another type of layer with respect to the in this condition. This is the main focus or main agenda of the re-entry phase. During that re-entry time, we can focus or we stabilize about the any futures or any previous futures will be damaging condition or will be elaborately or escaping or not. This is the main peculiarities. So overall, firstly we have said that about stable. Stable means if we put any force on the any type of object, that will not react. That will be a fully in the same original position. That is in a stable. And motion, it will be having the fluid motion, or it will be the thermal, it will be the form of solid, liquid or fluid, solid, liquid or gases. So this is the mechanics conditions. In kinematics, it only responds about the viscosity condition of the object. So this is the re-entry phase of aerodynamic conditions in the space mechanics course. Surely I hope that about this video is fully utilized, and what are the functions will have to incorporate, or what are the functions will have to maintain in space conditions in space mechanics subjects. Thank you.